Hi everybody, me again. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This time I've got myself a Fibaro double switch. This is a double relay switch, operates on two 40 volts. Sits behind a wall light switch, or you can put it in an enclosure. So just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. So this is the box. Gives you the serial number. This is an FGS 223 double relay. This is a ZWave Plus device, so this is 5th gen. So just open the box. There we go, Fibaro switch, quite small, perfect for fitting behind a wall switch. So at the back you can see here it says ZWave Plus, Fibaro, and here's the termination pieces. I don't know if that focuses on there. So you can see here Fibaro double switch, FGS 223. As I said before, it's ZWave Plus, which means it's the 5th gen ZWave. So he takes advantage of the latest hardware features and ZWave. You can see the various terminations here. So you would put the neutral feed into this one. Then the third one along is the live feed. And then you've got another 4 to look at: Q1, Q2, S1 and S2. So first of all, S1 on the far right here. So S1 would go to your wall switch, and then the other side of the wall switch would go to the live feed, and then switch 1 corresponds to Q1. So Q1 is the output. So from there you would go to the device that you're sending power to. So in my case that would go to a bulb or a ceiling light, and then the other side of the ceiling light would go to neutral, and then the same again for the other side. So switch 2 would go to the second switch, because this powers 2 devices, so that would go to the second switch. Then the other side of the switch would again go to live, and then Q2, Q is the output, so that would then go to the second device you're powering, or second light bulb, and then the other side of that device would go to neutral. So pretty small, pretty neat. This is the antenna. This is the B switch. So the B switch allows you to program various features. So yeah, just a quick unboxing just to show you. I'll do another video on wiring that in and how to include it in your home hub. My hub, as I think I've said before, is a Vera Secure, so that's ZWave and Zigbee and HTTP devices. So yeah, check out my channel for another video coming soon of how to include that in your hub. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.